What's up guys, welcome back to another daily video here from 88 Rotors Off-Road, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to 88 Rotors channel. We do edit and post videos here daily, mostly trucks, so if that's what you're into, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Today's video is going to be on this 2016 4Runner Limited model. This one's getting an XREAS system delete, and we're going to be installing an Icon Stage 3 setup on here. The Icon Stage 3 suspension setup consists of the front 2.5 VS IR coilovers that are adjusted to about 3 inches of lift, rear 2.0 VS IR shocks, and raised by a 2-inch coil lift spring. The Stage 3 also comes with the front tubular delta joint upper control arms, and lastly, it does come with the tubular lower trailing arm kit. In case you're wondering why the door is left open in the back, we actually did that so the side steps go down. This is a factory item that comes on the limited models with retractable side steps. We have to actually bring it down in order to access the jack point on the vehicle. As usual, the moment the vehicle is up in the air, the wheels and tires are removed, and the factory TPMS sensors are removed from all 4 wheels to be swapped over to the new wheels. Keep on watching and we'll give you the details of the new wheel and tire setup that we're doing on this one. "88 Rotors is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please either give us a call during regular business hours or send us an email over to sales@88rotors.com. You can find all of our contact information in the description below. Here you can see our techs installing the new lift springs. The trailing arm is already installed here as well. Here's a closer look at the 2.5 front coilovers that we adjusted to about 3 inches of lift. Here you can see the tubular delta joint upper control arms already installed as well. Trailing arm is on, springs are on, and now the 2.0 VS IR shocks are going on. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for our video and the channel itself. We'd greatly appreciate that. Here's a Tacoma that we're also working on. If you want to see the full video of this one, please check back tomorrow for the next daily video. This one should be on there along with other Tacomas. This one's getting a Bilstein setup installed along with a body mount chop and some Volk Racing TE37X wheels. And these right here are the Method MR312s that are going on to the 4Runner. They are a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset wheel and a matte black finish. We're wrapping it up in a 285, 70, 17 BF Goodrich KL2 tire with the white lettering on the inside. If you guys like what you guys see here and want to see more, we actually do post daily on our Instagram account. You can follow it at 88 Rotors Off-Road. As the vehicle is lowered to the ground, our tech is gonna torque the wheels down to spec before we back it out for a quick test drive. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's 4Runner video. If you're interested in a 3rd gen video, we'll be posting that probably in 2 days. Keep on watching to see a sneak peek of that one. If you guys have any questions or comments, please drop them down below and we'll get back to every single one of them as soon as we can. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on the notification bell. That way you'll get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. And here's the 3rd gen 4Runner that we spoke about earlier. Here's a sneak peek of it that we'll be posting in about 2 days. Until then guys, take care.